Ito ang isa sa pinaka-nakakakilabot at misteryosong hotel sa Denpasar, Bali, ang Abandoned Goddess Hotel. Binuo ito noong early 2000s at mahigit 3 taon na itong abandonado. Maliban sa mga entities na naninirahan dito, ay meron isang mahiwagang green room na ginawa para sa isang Indonesian goddess na marami ang nagsasabi na hanggang ngayon ay nakatira at nagbabantay dito. Ito si Nyai Roro Kidul at isa siyang Queen of the Southern Sea. At ang sabi sa myth ay meron itong kapangyarihan maging mabait o maging mapaghigante sa mga taong may lakas ng loob na bumisita dito. At ngayong gabi, ikutin namin ito ni Steve, lilibutin at gagawa ng paranormal investigation para malaman kung ano nga ba talaga ang mga kababalaghan at misteryo ang kumakalat dito sa Abandoned Goddess Hotel. Maraming instances na nagkakaroon ng unexplainable things na agad.
The shaman is warning me if we go in, it will be very dangerous.
So right behind me, they're doing the ritual.
I hope we are welcome here.
A lot of women with unrecognized faces in the lobby.
They saw? So she's like seeing spirits right now?
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be one of the most unforgettable explorations. Holy shit. Bro.
What?
Oh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Like a table.
Oh, what the heck?
See? Yeah. How's her footprint all the way up there?
The entity here is angry. Very angry.
It's very angry?
That was the strongest one.
Yo!
So kanina pa kami nakakarinig guys ng mga iba't ibang sounds. I don't think we're welcome in here.
Oh. The guy's literally getting possessed. Can I see this? What the f***?
Sobrang daming natural na nangyayari na ngayon guys. Kahit ako hindi ko mapaliwanag, first time na nangyari sa akin yung ganito. Sa sobrang delikado mag-explore sa lugar na to, ay napagdesisyon na namin kumuha ng medium at gumawa muna ng ritual dahil kung hindi, ay magiging mapanganib ang aming exploration. Can you explain why they need to do a ritual?
Just to make sure that all the crew here is safe, because the guardian, the biggest spirit, is the one who inhabited the green room.
The goddess is in the green
Yes.
room. So we need to do the ritual, first.
Because the shaman is warning me if we go in before to offer the ritual,
Something bad might happen.
Yeah, it will be very dangerous.
Ngayon pa lang, inuunahan ko na kayo na ito ang pinakadelikado at nakakakilabot na paranormal investigation na nagawa namin. Okay guys, so kakarating lang namin dito sa Abandoned Hotel and ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na this is one of the biggest hotels na i-explore namin. Sa labas ang itsura niya, overgrown na siya, halatang matagal na siyang abandonado, matagal nang walang pumapasok. At yung mga paintings niya sa labas, medyo okay pa naman, hindi masyadong bakbak, pero alam mo talaga na pinaglumaan na. Ngayon guys, maraming instances pagdating namin dito to shoot B-rolls at ngayon pagkabalik namin na nagkakaroon ng unexplainable things na agad.
Alright guys, so right behind me, they're doing the ritual. While I was watching them do all of this, I thought Agassi said something behind me, and I turned around really quick, and I'm like, did you say something? It was so weird because it sounded exactly like Agassi, as if he whispered in my ear.
Narinig ni Steve yung boses ko.
I thought you were talking to me.
I was never talking. I was
And I
watching.
looked behind you, you're just like, just watching.
Simula pa lang, marami ng kababalaghan nangyayari. Kanina pa lang, nung pumunta kami nung paggabi pa lang, nagdo-drone shot si Rick pero ayaw gumalaw ng drone. Tapos, habang nasa lobby ako, may naririnig ako mga kumakalampag. Ngayon, we're in the middle of the night. Mas magiging malakas mga presence ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin. At ngayon, kakapasok lang namin sa kalaliman ng gabi. Mag-explore kami. Simula tayo sa first floor. Medyo malaki tong pwesto na to guys. At medyo may naririnig kami mga hampas-hampas kanina. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo pa sa video. Plus, umiiyak kanina yung nagre-ritual. So, hindi ko lang kung bakit may kumakausap na entity before pa kami mag-start. So, sana yung goddess ay makita na maganda na may intention namin. Pasimula pa lang kaming maglibot nito nang may mga nagpaparinig na agad sa amin.
What the? Wait. What the? It's like a door.
Window? I heard something. So itong hotel na to ay may 3 floors at 80 plus na rooms. Dadaanan natin. Oh, yeah, I heard that.
It's like a shoes or a door, but nobody's.
80 plus na rooms. Dadaanan at no one's there. Nag-umpisa pa lang tayo, guys. May mga 3 kalampag na kami narinig. May mga napapansin na yung mga kasama namin agad. And
Yo. Hear that? Definitely, it's not wind.
I hope we are welcome here.
Yeah, we got the expert.
So may medium naman kami kasama ngayon. I think this is gonna be one of the most unforgettable explorations.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh! Another one. Let's go. Oh! Steve, I keep hearing things.
Me too, just bangs everywhere.
So magsisimula na kami dito sa baba, guys. Ngayon lang kami nakaranas na hindi pa kami nagsisimula pero ang dami nang nagpaparamdam na nagaganap. Pero sinumalan pa rin namin itong exploration at hindi kami handa sa mga magaganap ngayong gabi. So dito makikita niyo mga rooms, may mga room numbers siya. This is the first floor. Why is the number 105? So it means there are 100 rooms?
No, the first floor.
Over the first floor.
Oh wait, I heard a bang.
Holy bro.
What? What? Wait. Is it the wind?
No, there are many doors that are banging. There's no wind.
Okay. Keep going.
Ooh. Ooh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Table.
Yeah. Table that's being moved.
And it's like it's coming from upstairs.
Mabigat na agad ang pakiramdam namin ng mga oras na to. Pero simula pa lang ito ng pagpaparamdam nila. Kanina pa kami nakakarinig ng mga bangs, mga noises. Ngayon na medyo nawala na. Steve, are you good?
I'm good. Yeah, let's take a look.
So, papasok kami sa isang room ngayon kasi pare-pares yung mga itsura ng rooms para lang ma-check natin. So, this is the bathtub and meron siyang studio room, parang 1 bedroom lang inside. At habang naglilibot kami sa isang kwarto, ay nalaman namin kung bakit nga ba maraming kakaibang pagpaparamdam na nagaganap ngayong gabi.
So today, based on the Balinese traditional calendar, this is a special night where the entity party. This is the Waton night. So there are times where the spirits having a high frequency. So this is the night. So
Yeah, I keep hearing banging noises.
They say that they saw a lot of women with unrecognized faces in the lobby.
They saw?
Yeah.
So she's like seeing spirits right now?
Her son also. Yeah.
So weird. My battery.
Instantly?
Yeah, I just changed this like a minute ago. Dude, this is weird, bro.
Yeah, bro. Dahil marami nang nakikitang entity ang medium na kasama namin, ay napagdesisyonan namin magbigay ulit ng offering. Okay.
So we'll pray here. It's like so new to me. Like I've never had like this intense explore.
Ever?
Yeah. What do you think? Like
Yeah,
when we
it's
did
my
stuff in
first
the
time.
Philippines, like
Yeah, this is different. Kaso nga lang, habang papunta pa lang kami sa area para mag-abot ng offering, ay
Currently lost one of the cigarette. Actually, a cigarette
Seriously?
also for an offer.
oh,
what?
we're done with the offering? Okay. They just gave an offering over here.
What is that?
They recommend not using this area.
Okay. So different route.
It's dangerous.
Dangerous, okay.
It's spirit, one of the cigarette.
Oh, one of their cigarette? Okay. Okay. They got one cigarette. Also, they're getting Steve's battery. It's drained.
Yeah,
The battery's
I
drained.
changed my battery 5 minutes ago.
One of the side.
Dito napansin namin na pinaglalaruan na kami, pero tinuloy pa rin namin ang exploration at pumunta na sa pangalawang palapag. Okay guys, kung bakit kami pipili ng ibang route, kanina raw sobrang dangerous daw dumaan doon sa pinag-aanuan namin kasi nagpaparamdam na yung mga Ngayon, dito kami sa stairs, akyat. Pero dito sa pangalawang palapag, kung saan nandun ang green room, ay mas naging intense ang pagpaparamdam.
Right, we're
Oh
hanging
my
upstairs now. This is the loudest. Just throwing me rocks. Sit from over there. You got thrown a rock? Are you okay? Did
What?
you see you?
Are you okay?
Bro, a rock got thrown at him.
Throwing you rock. Are you?
I don't think we're welcome in here.
It's throwing the rock.
There. Yeah, where is it? This
These are
door. This
exposing.
door's moving. This door right here.
What?
I'm shaking.
Relax. Deep breath. Oh, water. So ngayon guys, nasa second floor na kami. At may nagbabato daw ng rock kay Billy. Ito yung third floor. At nagpatuloy na kami hanggat sa makaabot na kami sa green room. The room. Oh! So guys, ito na yung green room. Kung saan? Kung saan yung goddess na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Can we come in or no? The most special room in this hotel. Steve, this is the craziest adventure I've been with you.
I know, it is.
It is so crazy, bro.
Can you see that's a footprints over there?
Oh, what the heck?
See?
Yeah.
Footprints, right?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
How's there a footprint all the way up there?
Guys, kung makikita nyo may
Of the
bakat ng paa
offering.
sa taas. Bakit magkakaroon ng bakat ng paa sa taas? This is one of the craziest adventures na I've been with Steve and all of you guys.
The deity, this is the favorite, the flower.
Oh, okay.
Bunga Mati, the jasmine. This is her favorite.
So we're giving a lot of offerings right here, a lot of flowers.
Dito napansin namin na may mga offerings mula sa mga pumunta dito dati.
So it's been a long time that people not coming visit because it's already dried.
Those were the offerings of other people
Yes,
From a long
previous-
time ago.
from a long time ago. Okay.
It's been a long time since there was an offering here.
Why do you think no one has been here since after that offering?
No one dares to
There's to
come
come
here.
in, yeah. Sinabihan kami na 2 tao lang at a time ang pwedeng pumasok sa loob.
We can go every 2 person
Okay,
in a matter of perspective. And we have to
take off the shoes. So guys, para makapasok, kailangan tanggalin yung shoes. Tsaka 2 persons at a time lang. At habang magsisimula pa lang kaming pumasok, ay... Bro, what? Am I hearing water?
Yeah.
I'm hearing water sounds. Do you hear that?
Yeah, yeah. Heard water sounds. It's like someone's walking
Joy.
with water.
I'm hearing water sounds. Patak-patak ng tubig.
So Billy's inside the room now. He's going first. Then it's gonna be Agassi and Rick, and then me and Rico after. Dude,
This is crazy,
I
bro.
keep hearing like whispers, like such a weird noise.
Yeah.
You hear it too?
So guys, ito na tayo sa loob ng green room. And may ginagawa silang ritual. Oh, nice. Are you okay? Are you okay? May mga iba't ibang offerings.
Wow, she's crying.
Sad because it's abandoned.
Yeah.
Because nobody's take a visit. Because I don't have tissue.
I don't have tissues with me. That was the loudest one.
Dito sa loob ng green room ay punong-puno ng mga alay mula sa bulaklak, damit, pera, at meron pang tunay na buhok ng tao. Inalay, totoong buhok. Mga offerings yan. Ito yung itsura ng room, guys. I'm gonna go out now while they're doing their ritual.
Yo, dude, I'm hearing water. You hear water?
Your
Oh my
turn.
God,
Go
it's getting so intense right now.
Okay, ready?
Ready, Rico? Read out.
Shush.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, what the? It's coming from upstairs.
I hear footstep. Come here, come here.
Holy crap, guys! Shh, something's walking upstairs.
Language.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
Okay, Steve, go inside.
At habang nangyayari ang lahat ng ito ay nahirapan akong huminga katulad ng naramdaman ko sa Cresta del Mar. Wait, one second.
Okay, kita ko.
I'm having a hard time breathing eh.
Yo,
What's that?
someone's singing.
Yeah, it sounds like
Oh,
a
yeah.
child singing. So I'm going inside next. The presence just keeps getting stronger and stronger now as the hours go by.
Sheesh. And there's water.
It's water, it's footstep and
Actually, I'm having a hard time breathing right now. Medyo mabigat yung paghinga ko ngayon eh.
take a drink.
So kanina pa kami nakakarinig guys ng mga iba't ibang sounds. That's a girl.
That's a long one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ito pinaka-intense na nangyari lahat ng exploration namin guys. Naririnig mo yun? Sakit na dito ko, Joy. It's suddenly cold. Naglulumamig. Yeah, it's suddenly cold here.
After he's asking for permission and protection.
Are you okay? Are you okay? It's so weird that's happening. Is this normal? No. It's not normal? Sobrang bigat na ng pakiramdam dito at sinasabihan na kami na hindi na safe magstay dahil sa mga nangyayari sa paligid. Narinig mo yan?
Papa said he cannot stay
We cannot stay?
longer. I mean, he is like become weak.
Okay.
He asked us to wait.
Kaya dito ay may ginawa silang sacred chant at offering na wala kaming masamang intensyon sa lugar na to.
That's a sacred chanting. Usually it gives positive
Energy. Okay.
So he put it. Gusto saw that door open by itself.
Yeah, down this hallway.
No, this one.
Yeah.
So, sobrang daming unnatural na nangyayari na ngayon, guys. Kahit ako hindi ko mapaliwanag. First time na nangyari sa akin yung ganito. Tapos nasa malayong lugar pa tayo. Pero tutuloy pa rin natin. Papansin niyo yung mga floors niya, basag-basag na. At yung sa taas niya, parang may mga wires. Nakikita mo yung wires? At sira-sira na rin yung mga ilaw. So, matagal na talaga siyang abandonado. Kanina pa may nagsaslam na door, guys. Hindi ako masyado makapag-concentrate. At saka medyo mabigat na yung paghinga ko. Pero nag-ritual sila and nag-chant to ask for protection. But still, may mga doors pa rin na gumagalaw-galaw. What are you doing, Steve? Dalawang beses na naubos yung battery na camera ni Steve, which is very weird. That's drained?
Drain faster than.
Oh my gosh.
Another camera that's been drained. So far, I'm running out of batteries like crazy. The batteries only seem to last for like a good 20 minutes until I have to like switch it again.
What's the usual lifespan of the battery?
Like 4 hours.
And it's the second battery that died.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And this is
It's
not
up-
the right night to visit.
Yeah, we visited at the wrong night, bro.
So maybe they don't want us here.
Yeah.
And this is the night where the high frequency for the spirit.
Like a spirit party.
I wonder why it's like so active, bro.
Super
The
active.
most active I've ever been in a
Me
building.
too, me too. Can you feel that?
I thought I heard something.
No, I felt something, like a cold wind.
I can feel it. I can feel it.
Look at goosebumps.
My boy Rico's getting goosebumps.
Whoa, whoa. I felt it, bro, in my face. Maybe we're not invited, bro.
I don't feel welcome here. Maybe that's why there's so many loud bangs, and
Yeah.
that's why someone's cigarette disappeared.
So what's our plan?
We're waiting for the prayer, and after that, if you guys still brave enough to go upstairs, then we go upstairs.
Upstairs is where the girl's singing.
The girl,
And the kids.
steps, the water.
Everything is in the...
Maybe you won't like the investigation.
That was the strongest one.
Maybe it doesn't want us to go up there. That's why there's so
Yeah.
many loud bangs.
Yeah, it's like
upstairs.
preventing us.
Like trying to scare us away.
Pagkalabas ng medium ay in-interview namin kung bakit napakalala ang mga pangyayari ngayong gabi.
Ada lagi yang datang ke sini.
Oh, so the spirit was surprised because after a long time, there's people come here. It's like a surprise. It's like a doorknob being open, right?
Yeah.
I get that.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Jadi ini sebenarnya gangguannya dari mana?
Jadi yang ada di sini marah,
The entity here is angry,
marah sekali.
very angry,
Doesn't like us here.
Karena sebelumnya ada kejadian yang tidak mengenakan.
because there's something happened here,
Ada kejadian tidak mengenakan yang mungkin membuat sudah
something really bad that makes it angry.
susah untuk dijelaskan.
It's
Tapi
really hard to explain. Kedatangan kita nggak mengganggu. Udah bilang ya, kamu bilang ya.
Udah.
Yeah, he said that. He said to the entity that we're not doing anything, any harm.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Jadi yang beristana di sini
The one who control here,
yang kita sebut dengan Bunda,
they call it the mother.
Kanjeng
Bunda
Ratu.
is the Nyai.
Oh.
Yeah, and then
Beliau sudah berpulang dan yang ada di sini
Oh.
cuman sedahan atau selir-selirnya saja.
okay, so the mother, the Nyai, is already gone. The one who inhabit here is her lower. You know, when a princess, there's a princess, and then the lower lady. What is it called?
Lower member.
lower member of the lady.
Jadi beliau pulang dan menugaskan penjaganya untuk menjaga di sini.
Also, the mother, the Nyai, asked the lower member to protect this place. So it's not the lady,
Okay.
but the lower member.
So it's very angry at us?
Dia marah ke kita.
Enggak,
Enggak.
cuma menunjukkan bahwa mereka ada di sini dan berharap kita tuh takut untuk
Oh,
tidak
okay.
di sini.
So they're not angry. They just do that thing only to show that they are here. Not for scaring us. They just want us to know that they are here.
Okay.
Okay, that's yeah.
That's relieving.
Well, okay, so that's good. We're welcome here then.
We're welcome then.
Yeah, it depends on how we react. You're scared or you feel okay with that.
Yeah, so we just can't be scared, and then we'll be fine.
Mungkin ada yang melapor kepada beliau, kepada Bunda.
Oh, okay. Terus.
Jadi kita nunggu izin dulu.
Oh, okay. So the reason why we have to wait for 2 minutes because this lower member is reporting to the mother, so they're waiting for the response of the mother about our existence in here.
I see.
So we need another 2 minutes.
No problem.
Okay.
Kaso nung pagbalik ng medium para tapusin ang ritual, ay nakaramdam kami ng ibang presensya na para bang iba na ang kasama namin. Why?
Yeah, and
He's laughing. The guy. He was laughing.
I saw that.
He was laughing. He was laughing earlier.
Oh,
It's not my age process.
He was laughing. He was smiling at me.
yeah, I saw.
Diba? Oh, footsteps.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's literally above us right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's moving.
Hello?
This is the craziest, bro.
I wasn't kidding, bro, that when I told you that Indonesia's very haunted. I wasn't joking.
I know. At dito, naranasan namin ang pinaka nakakakilabot na pangyayari sa buong paranormal investigation namin. Panoorin mabuti ang mga susunod na pangyayari.
Oh, wait, I see something. I saw something move. What's that? What's that? Bro, the guy's literally can't possess. Can I see this? What the fuck?
What's happening?
Hampir kalau Omar lagi.
Itu cuma penting mandung mantan di situasi ini kurang rapi penting.
Yoga itu sabun sami juga. Sabun sami itu.
Di sini semua sudah pulang.
Udah pulang.
Nanging alit teh pada rencana iki kampung iki macam cinakin dan jak memang tahu ngerti.
Mereka masih di sini.
Sabun sami.
Asking for a cigarette.
I will translate later.
Yeah,
I will
yeah.
translate later.
Yep, I think I get what's going on though.
You have an idea, Steve?
He's possessed.
Yeah.
Uy! Oh, sh**. Steve, Steve.
Iya, ampun. Suksma ko lang.
Come here. There's someone shouting. What happened? Wait, go. Can't you hear that? Before that, someone's crying.
Dude, you won't believe what I saw in there. They offered him a cigarette.
Yeah.
He puffed the cigarette, but not like an ordinary person. He puffed it like 10 times, one single hit. And then
You got
he
it?
turned it around, put it in his mouth, the burning part.
After that, there was some crying.
Yeah, I think,
That's too much.
that's enough for the night.
Matapos nung nakakakilabot na pangyayari, ay nautusan kami ng nasaniban na kumain ng bulaklak para sa protection namin.
It's some kind of a protection.
Okay.
Eat the flower?
Just swallow it.
Let's do it.
Swallow
Is it
it.
Just to protect us. It's safe?
Is this safe?
Yeah, the flower it's edible.
Let us taste.
Very bitter.
Dito ay ipinaliwanag ni Billy ang mga nangyari.
So the reason why he is possessed because the entity that possessed Baba say that it's a warning for us not to do something disrespectful actions, and also so the lower lady and also another entity that might be mischievous. Yes, also children spirits. Just don't do anything disrespectful. So we got the permission, but just behave.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah, of course. That's it.
So, yun guys. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa 3rd floor. Sa last floor ng hotel na to. A lot has been happening. Yung mga protection
Yep,
kami,
record,
nilagyan
okay.
kami ng mga bulaklak. At matapos makuha ang permission at protection, ay tumuloy na kami sa 3rd floor.
Alright, we're finally here.
Yes!
This is the final floor.
May mga ibang rooms na may mga
Guess we'll
susi.
see where
May
those
mga ibang room
knockers
na wala.
are coming from.
Earlier when we were down, Steve, we heard the footsteps specifically from here.
Yeah,
Here to there.
and they weren't ordinary footsteps.
They weren't
had like,
ordinary.
It sounded like wet, like their
Wet,
feet were
yeah,
wet.
and we were hearing water drops.
Yeah.
Nakakamangha kasi nung pagpunta namin sa final floor, ay nabawasan na ang mga pagpaparamdam at pagpaparinig.
Now that we're here, there's no band.
Yeah, I hear it again. Is it raining?
Wait.
Like droplets. But it's not wet. Can you hear that? Can you hear that, Steve?
Yeah, I can hear it, but it's not rain.
What is that? Kahit nakakakilabot pa rin siya, ay hindi na siya kasing intense nung nasa una at pangalawang palapag kami.
I feel the 3rd floor
It's not that.
It's not that
Yeah.
heavy, right?
It's
Yeah,
not
it's
as heavy
so
as
weird.
last time. It's like whatever was here is like gone.
Gone. Yeah, same. I didn't feel.
Is it the effect of the protection?
Or before what the kid did.
It's my protection. Yeah, is it the protection or it just only affect for the second floor because it has the special room?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking that, or maybe everything calmed after we did the
Either or.
ceremony.
Yeah.
Because after we did the whole ceremony and I ate the thing and he put the flour on us,
There's less
everything is
occurrence.
nothing's happening anymore.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Maybe he's not angry.
Maybe we got permission.
Yeah, I think we made it happier.
Okay, so guys, ang ina-explain nila, nung nasa second floor kami, nakita nyo naman, narinig nyo, ang daming kakaibang nangyayari. Pero after nung ginawa yung ritual, din nung pag-akit namin sa third floor, this was supposed to be the most scariest floor. Pero wala. Very minimal lang. Meron pero very minimal. So naisip namin either nasa second floor lahat kasi nandun yung green room, or after ginawa na yung ritual, kaya nawala na lahat.
Baba said that it's because we already got the permission.
At matapos ng final floor ng hotel, ay nilibot na rin namin ang pinakamalaking room at tuluyan ng tinapos ang investigation sa gabing ito. Na-explore na namin lahat from first floor to third floor of this abandoned goddess hotel, and what we can say is that sobrang unexplainable, and this is the most intense
Very
that
wild.
yeah, when we were starting, we've been hearing a lot of noises, but ever since that, we did the ritual, the cigarette eating,
Yep.
the possession, so many things have happened, but after that, everything stopped. Now, it's much more calmer.
Yeah.
And we decided not to do the ghost recruitments because may mga kasama kaming medium na kaya nila may pag-usap.
Something new and fresh that they haven't seen before.
Yeah, and we haven't seen before.
Yeah. I was not expecting this
Yeah.
day to happen like this.
But this was one for the books and definitely one of our memorable investigations.
Bro, which is more intense? The Tacloban ghost town or
For
this
sure,
one?
this one. The Tacloban, we weren't hearing any noises. Here, we felt like at first they were angry at us. But then we felt that after everything, they calmed down. Like now, we are not feeling anything. We're not hearing
I feel
anything.
very peaceful right
Yeah.
now.
Sobrang kakaiba yung feeling, guys. Ang hirap i-explain through the camera, pero it's really mind-blowing what happened here tonight. And I guess that is it for this video. Again, subscribe to my boy Steve and Billy. We wouldn't be here without Billy, so thank you, Billy.
Thank you so much.
And, yeah.
From Athena.
Yeah, and everything here with us, the mediums and everything. Thank you so much for guiding us then, keeping us safe. And I guess dito ko tatapusin to. Meron pa tayong isang i-explore after ito. Thank you very much for watching. Ingat lang, God bless, and see you on my next vlog. We're gonna cleanse after this. Napakaraming nakakakilabot na pangyayari ang naranasan namin ngayong gabi. At ang masasabi ko lang ay ito ang pinakamalalang exploration na nagawa namin ni Steve. Kaya bago kami umalis ay pinagdasal at nagbigay kami ng offering sa mga entity na nakausap at nakasama namin. At tuluyan ng tinapos ang investigation na tiyak hinding-hindi namin makakalimutan.